Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to draw a perfect circle in a freehand motion. It's actually really easy to do, and your circle will look amazing when it's done. Now all that I'm using are two writing utensils. Two pencils, okay? But you can use any writing utensils. Now, one of them is longer and one of them is a little bit shorter. The green one's shorter, the blue one's longer. Now, you want to take your green one and place it completely vertically, just like that. Your shorter utensil, place it vertically like that, where you want the center of the circle to be. And you want to hold that nice and firmly in place. Then you want to get this second writing utensil and you want to place it the distance from the center of the circle to the outer edge. So I'm just going to make a medium-sized circle like this. You want to hold them in place firmly, just like that, and then you want to just take the paper and just rotate that paper just like this. And what's going to happen is, as you rotate the paper, you are going to form your circle. And the tighter that you keep your writing utensils, the more perfect that your circle will be. Now, as you can see right here, that is as good as I can get the circle, and it's perfect. I just need to erase my sort of starting point right here. I just need to erase that little starting point, but it's actually a really easy process. And I'll actually demonstrate it one more time just to show you that it's not a fluke, that it is, it is a consistent thing. Take the shorter one, place it vertically, take the longer one, put it on an angle, let's say just like that. Then you just want to rotate your paper, just like that. Rotate your paper and you're going to get a perfect circle. Now, the only reason that a circle won't be perfect, or won't be almost perfect, I should say, is if you move the writing utensil. Now, you can see with this one right here, I've actually created a perfect circle. And if you don't want that mark in the middle, you can just erase it after, or you can use something that is similar to a pencil but doesn't actually have a tip that creates a mark. But it's a very simple process, and in this process I have shown you how to draw a perfect circle freehand. It's really easy to do, and I've outlined exactly how to do it in this video. Once again, all that you need are two writing utensils and a little bit of creativity. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.